What's up, my honey bunnies, and welcome back to the Cruelty Free Vanity. Today's video is going to be a hair video, which is very rare because I hardly ever do hair tutorials or anything to do with hair, because I did receive the Modern Minerals Discovery Kit hairstyling products. I wanted to do my review and also how I got this hair, which is more like a beachy wave, very messy, very undone type, which happens to be my favorite type of hairstyle whenever I'm in a rush, but I still want my hair to look a little put together and like I tried a little bit. And believe it or not, this only takes around like 10 minutes or even less to do. It comes with 4 travel size products in this beautiful rose gold travel case, which is super cute. It also comes with 3 rose gold hairpins or bobby pins. The cool thing about these products, they are infused with flower and gemstone essences, and for that they did collab with Lotus Way, which is known for their flower essences. Moving on to my review, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my favorite, and I think this is definitely the star of the whole collection in my opinion, just because I really love it and I think it's a great product, and it is the styling jelly. I love this. It's kind of like a gel because it does kind of give you a little bit of a hold, but I just love it. It really does reduce any frizz. Whenever I want very sleek and straight hair, I go for this one because it really does help to minimize the frizz. It kind of just tames my hair and it makes it look very smooth. On their website, it says that the styling jelly is to maintain movement, flexible flow, and reduce frizz, and I definitely agree with that. I do find that when I do wear this, my hair still has movement, you know, it still moves around, it's bouncy, it doesn't feel like if it's stiff or crunchy. The texture mist, this is my second favorite product from Momi. On their website it says, create the perfect imperfect top knot or get bouncy beachy waves, which is pretty much what I have on right now, and I really do love it because of that. I think it's a great product to create very effortlessly type of waves. I will say that my hair is already naturally wavy, so if I let it air dry, I do get a little bit of a wave, but when I do apply this all over my hair, I do get more waves, so I kind of intensify the waves. So the way I use this is pretty much on damp hair, so I don't brush it, I don't blow dry it. I spray this all over my hair and I kind of scrunch my hair up. For the most part, if I'm in a rush, this is pretty much all I do is just let it air dry. But if I do have a little bit of extra time and I do want a little bit more waves in my hair, what I do is I take my wand and I pretty much pick up the top pieces of my hair, only the top ones, and just a few of them. To create those really loose waves, I just leave my hair wrapped around the wand, maybe 5 seconds or maybe 10 seconds if my hair is still kind of damp. Once that's done, I will go on with the styling jelly just at the top of my hair, like over here and just like down here, to kind of tame down the frizz, because usually when I scrunch my hair up, it kind of adds more frizz. The hydrating mist can be used on your hair, on your face, and on your body, so it's an all-over type of spray. It's meant to just add hydration whenever you want to refresh your makeup or refresh your hairstyle, or even use it as a perfume or like a body spray. It does smell really nice. Last but not least, we have the dry shampoo. It does have a really nice scent, and it is more of a rose tone type of product. Usually dry shampoo is used on dirty hair whenever you have like second day hair or third day hair, when your natural oils are starting to peek through and it's making your hair look a little oily. The dry shampoo is going to help absorb any oils that you have, making your hair look a little less oily and less dirty. A lot of people also use this on clean hair to add volume. I'm sure a lot of people know how to use this already, but you pretty much apply this to the roots of your hair and just blend it out with your fingers. Make sure that everything is nice and blended so it doesn't look powdery. Because I'm not really big on dry shampoo, I haven't really used this that often. I think I used it twice. It is quite nice, but again, I'm just not really into that like powdery feel on my scalp. But it does the job. I did use this to see if it would soak up my oils, and it really did do a good job to make my hair look less greasy and oily. So I did like it because of that, but it's not something that I would use all the time. All right, my honey bunnies, so that is my review on the Momi by Modern Minerals hairstyling products. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you found it helpful. Again, the star of the show, in my opinion, it's the styling jelly. I just love this so much. I use this very often. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. And if you have, please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Like always, thank you so much for watching and always supporting my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing, and doing all of that amazing things that you guys do. With all that being said, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.